Eng Kong Holdings. We are amongst the leading and fastest growing container logistics operator and container depot service provider in the world. With more than 40 years in the business, the group is represented across Asia, united by our multiple business units and outstanding partners. Our unique network of depots and container-related businesses makes us the convenient one-stop services for our customers' container logistics needs. Eng Kong first started its operations in 1975 with only an 8,000 square meter facility in Singapore. Today, our total operating area is amongst the largest in the region, spreading beyond Singapore and across Asia. We continue to grow organically and through acquisition of outstanding like-minded partners in the field, create stable growth for the group and its stakeholders. We have established a strong presence in the logistics clusters, supporting the local shipping communities in the ports and the cities we serve. We strive to stay relevant and competitive through our technological developments and operational process improvements. Our hardware and software are constantly upgraded to support the constant changes in the container-related industries. We take pride in our progressions towards meeting our customers' expectations for greater capacity needs and improvements in operating efficiency. We are the destination of choice for customers requiring all container-related services for their business. Our full suite of storage and handling services has been regarded as one of the best in Asia. Equipped with a modern fleet of forklifts and double box stackers, efficiently and safely stacking 2 to 3 containers up to 9 boxes high. Adequate storage areas strategically located in prime port locations. A team of experienced repair and maintenance specialists providing top quality repair and maintenance services for all makes and models of containers. And an advanced IT infrastructure running on the latest servers and storage systems, providing real-time information for our customers. We have established a valuable relationship with our esteemed customers. Our reefer repair and services conform to the highest industry standards. Our very own quality controlled supply of high-grade container components and our team of trustworthy and reliable specialists will ensure top-grade repair standards for your refrigerated containers. We are the authorized refrigerated container service agents for leading brands. Our expertise in this field enables us to be the service provider to some of the major terminals in the region. Our ISO tank depot services are also one of the finest in the industry. We provide an integrated and comprehensive service that covers cleaning, repair and maintenance of tanks for various types of cargo. We ensure that all safety procedures are in place, complying strictly with the respective environmental and legislative regulations. 24/7 container transportation service is also part of our extensive suite of services. With a modern fleet of container trucks fully equipped with GPS tracking system, we move containers efficiently between businesses, depots and ports. We also offer warehousing and container freight station services. We provide cost-effective forwarding and export consolidation of general cargo. In addition, we provide competent and professional inspection services for new build containers, complying with our customers' strict standards. Our other valued container-related businesses include parts trading, resale and one-way empty container positioning services. The safety standards and health of our employees are of our utmost priority. Our depot has been recognized and certified by the relevant authorities for maintaining safety and health standards for all our staff. With our extensive service package, we ensure our customers' satisfaction, fostering a pleasant and lasting working relationship with us. At Eng Kong, we are more than a company. We are a family of diverse backgrounds with the same goal in mind: to empower our customers with customized solutions for their businesses. We constantly upgrade our skills through training, keeping up to date with technological and logistical improvements and advancements. We provide excellent customer support service, constantly finding new ways to provide cost-effective logistics operations and container-related services for our customers. Keeping pace with the dynamic growth of trade and demand, we will continue to seek out new opportunities, build new partnerships, broaden our portfolio of services, and through our innovation and progression, make our mark and continuous contribution to the maritime community. We are your one-stop destination for quality, efficiency, and holistic container-related services. We are sincere in providing only the best for our clients. With business integrity and a constant pursuit of quality, the group continues to grow and look towards a prosperous future.